In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the customer portal in Zoho Desk. Turning on the customer portal is a great way to improve your support experience by giving customers a place to view their tickets, track updates, and access helpful resources on their own. To get started, log into your Zoho Desk account and head to your dashboard. From there, look at the top right corner and click on the setup icon, shown as a gear. This is where all your customization and configuration settings live. Inside Setup, scroll to the Channels section and select Help Center. This area controls how customers interact with your support portal. If you manage more than one help center, choose the correct one from the list before continuing. Once you've selected your help center, move into Access Settings. This is where you control who can access your customer portal and how they sign in. In the Permissions section, look for the option that allows customers to sign up. Enable this setting to allow users to create their own accounts. With Customer Sign Up enabled, users can log in, submit and track tickets, and use any self-service content you've added to the Help Center. This not only improves transparency for customers but also reduces repetitive support requests for your team. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the customer portal in Zoho Desk. It's a simple setup that can make a big difference in how efficiently you manage customer support. Thanks for watching and check out our other Zoho Desk guides for more quick and helpful tips.